What's up, guys? It's your boy Butch from Imperial. How are you guys? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing very well. Myself, I've been super busy, and now, after a busy, hard-working month or two that I've been working, I had to treat myself just a little bit, and now I'm gonna show you where I'm at. You guys ready? Welcome to Miami Beach. It's my first time being in Miami. I've never been in Miami. First timer. It's always a first time for everything, I guess. I'm not gonna lie, it's fucking dope. Super dope. Especially where I'm staying. Wow, it's so high. This is really fucking cool. Super cool, right? This reminds me of like Cancun, but like more busier, high rise, and it's just like a busy city. Oh my god, it's just fuck. You know, you can imagine what would nightlife would be like. I know Cancun is pretty beautiful, but this is like super good, super busy, super cool. Guys, check this out. Look at this. That's where I want to be. Or we can go there. I haven't slept for over almost, let's say maybe 38 hours. I have not slept at all. And maybe if I should take maybe 2-hour nap or 3 hours nap and then rave or enjoy the night. I got PK. He's here with me. He's bringing a friend of his, and also I got my boy Alex. You guys remember Alex with the R8 and the Super Leggera Lamborghini. He's on his way actually, and then I got more friends are coming to visit, so we're gonna have plenty of good time, plenty of amazing time. New experiences for me in Miami. It's something new. I brought the hookah, so I cannot wait to smoke and chill. I did chill out on drinking. I'll tell you what. I want to do something like a little bit different in my life, so I'm gonna just like pause drinking as much as I could, so that way take care of my health, take care of my what do you call it? My performance, my behaviors, and like and it just complete. I just want to do a little complete detox, so that way I can have better focus. Number one at work, family, and life itself, and health, of course, number one. So I'm blessed, thank God. I'm so happy to say, guys, I was able to come to Miami, and now you guys are gonna experience it with me. Let's experience it together, guys. All right, let's go. So earlier when I was in the plane with Patrick, the pilot came over to me and he's like, "Sir, I need you to take your hat off." And I was like, "Why?" He's like, "Take it off." I was like, "All right, sure, no problem." And then I realized that he could actually read this. I'm not sure if you guys can read it, but yeah, it says, "Fuck you, pay me." So I realized, yeah, he's right. It's not polite, so no problem, no issue. So I took it off. Patrick thought, I was like, "Why? Just keep it on." Like, nah, we're not here to cause drama or anything like that. So the penthouse that we got over here, me and Alex actually suggested this place. Like, "Hey man, let's go ahead and take care, get it, and it will be like something that we could enjoy together." So that's pretty good. It's pretty cool. So this is Alex's room. Not bad. We got a bathroom right here. We got a kitchen right here. The view is fucking amazing. And like, this is my room, my bathroom. It's maybe simple, but it's really cool. I like it. It's maybe simple, but it's really cool. Can't wait to party. I'm gonna close the window so I can keep the AC. It's kinda a little bit, it's probably like 80s right now. Not bad, but they're saying that tonight it's gonna be really chilly and cold, so can't wait so I can open the fucking doors and fucking just lay in bed naked and enjoy the cool breeze of Miami. You know what? I'm happy. I'm happy that I'm here. I'm happy I'm blessed. I'm happy that, I was able to meet my friends today. Man, can't wait. Can't wait to do more. Can't wait. I'm blessed. Now I really need to fucking sleep. Fuck, I have to wait on the girlfriend. Honey, let's go! You're so late, honey. Alex is in the house. That's my boy Alex, guys. He's not my girl, of course. Gotcha. All right, so we're late. We're supposed to go to Poppy's Steakhouse over in South Miami Beach, and we're fucking late. It's okay. Thanks to the fucking Uber. She still hasn't showed up. Patrick, I'm sorry. Please wait for us. I know you put $1,000 to hold that table for us, but like we are trying our best to get there. Guys, look at the sunset view. Isn't that fucking dope and badass? And what's more badass is look at my fucking outfit. I ain't being cocky. I'm just being like a little of stylist, So, we're gonna go. We're gonna hurry up. We're gonna go party. And then we're gonna come back. We're gonna sleep because I have not slept. So I tried to sleep. I slept for 10 minutes. I woke up. I couldn't go back to sleep. I'm like, oh Lord, have mercy. So, Alex, are you ready, baby? Yes, sir. All right, let's go. I don't know what to wear. I think I look good no matter what. But
You always look good.
Thank you, baby. I appreciate you. I put on this. I think I look cool with this outfit, maybe. I don't even want to change. Should I put the pink on?
Or like this.
Like this is
I
good?
mean, I can't pull that off, but you can pull it off.
Yeah, okay.
I like to be V-neck. All kinds of V-necks. We got the white jeans on tonight. We in Miami with it.
My boy. You looking good, brother.
You like that shit? I do a little.
Fuck yeah, bro. Fuck yeah, check magnet. Let me ask. Oh, you changed? Bow tie or no bow tie? Really?
They look ecstatic.